What's up, guys? It's Katie Austin here, and welcome to your daily workout. Today's workout is going to be quick, sexy power arms, specifically focusing a lot on your shoulders. So you're gonna need to grab some weights in this. I'm just using around 5 pounds. You guys can go all the way up to 10 as well. Whatever feels right for you, but we are going to get really started fast and into it because it's quick. All right, we're gonna start with a few shoulder rolls back, just to make sure we're a little bit warmed up and our shoulders are ready for this. Great work. Opening up that chest, breathing in, and exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Taking these arms right out by each side, and let's just do some baby arm circles right here. Tightening up those biceps. Nice work. Inhale and exhale. Core is tight. I'm going to be reminding you a lot throughout this video to tighten up your core because of a lot of these moves that we do with our upper body. You want to make sure your core is tight and your hips are tucked under. Now let's go the opposite way for these arm circles. Perfect. For 3, diagonal reaches in 2 and 1. Let's just reach across. Wonderful. We're about to grab onto these weights after this. So breathe in, shake out your upper body just a little bit. Get ready. Feel the stretch. Slow it down if you need. For 6, 5, 4, 3. Great. And 1. Let's grab those weights. All right. Okay, our first move, we have some front raises. So we're taking these weights right here, making sure our feet are about hip distance apart, knees a little bit bent, raise up and right back down. Let's work those shoulders, baby. Getting sexy, sculpted shoulders. Inhale and exhale. Now we're gonna be moving through these moves a little bit faster since it's such a quick workout, but trust me, you'll feel this. You'll feel this. You can also repeat it one more time if you guys need. For 3, for 2, same movement, but towards each side, side raises in 1. Here we go. Nice work. Keeping those knees bent. Great. All right, my shoulders are already feeling this. Perfect. 4, we're taking these weights above head. In 3, 2, and 1. Take them right above head, overhead presses. Wonderful. Focusing on that breath. Powering through. My shoulders are already feeling this. We have a little bit of a breather after this, all right? We have single lat pull downs and then a breather. 3, 2, hold these weights at the top in 1, single lats right here. Here we go. Perfect. Finish this strong. We can shake it out in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice work. Relax. Beautiful. Rolling out those shoulders right here, crushing it so far. Breathe in and exhale. Now, what I want you guys to do, I like to call these like little chicken wings right here. So we're taking these weights towards each side, making sure our shoulders are nice and back. Perfect. It's a slight open. Again, your core is tight. Nice work. Standing tall, good posture, shoulders down. For 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice work. From here, just a little slight movement. It's not a full bicep curl, it's actually towards each side. So we're lifting them up towards our shoulders right here. Our elbows are into our bodies. We have 7, 6, 5, 4. Great. Drop those weights. Now we have a deadlift to a row. So what I want you guys to do is come down to that deadlift and row it out. We're gonna start by doing a 1 row at a time with a deadlift, and then we're just gonna stay down there and row it out. In 5, in 4, 3, and 2. Hold at the bottom. Let's row it out. Here we go. Power rows, you got this. Beautiful, keeping those knees a little bit bent. We're hinging forward, but don't forget about those abs, baby. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. What we're gonna do is stay right here in 2. I want a back fly in 1. Shift those weights facing towards the camera. Back fly, perfect. Staying right here. I'm gonna turn to the side so y'all can see me just a little bit better. So hinging forward, squeezing your back muscles at the top. Perfect. Here we go. Squeeze those shoulder blades together for 6, 5, almost there. 2, and 1. All right, shake it off just a little bit. We have upright row next. Shake it off. Catch your breath. Your knees are just a little bit bent right here. Again, making sure, ready stance position, carrying those weights right by those shoulders. Perfect. How you guys feeling so far? Again, quick workout, specifically for those shoulders, your entire upper body right here. It's quick, it's efficient, and you feel it. So if you guys like this workout, make sure to save it right here on the Katie Austin app for later. 6, 5. Oh, I don't know about you guys. My arms feel very shaky right now. 3, 2, and 1. We are going to hold these weights out in front of us. Catch your breath though. And as you relax, you guys can also take one weight and do this one weight as well. So you're gonna take them right in front of you. We're just gonna drive the car just like that. All right, drive this car, baby. Your abs are in tight. Shifting, it's just the weights coming back and forth. That's it. I don't want you wiggling your booty. Just right here. Great. Core tight. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take these weights right here. We're just gonna do some diagonal reaches, kind of like we started, but with weights. So we're gonna reach to each side, just like that. Perfect. Breathing in and exhale. I want you guys to exhale every time you press. Get a little momentum going for 7, 6, 5, 4, great. 3, 2, and 1. Relax right here. We have a nice little chest opener next. So roll out those shoulders if you guys need. Get a little stretch break in. If you guys need to grab some water, feel free, but we're almost there. So let's just power through. All right, take these weights by each side. Chest opener, perfect. Inhale and exhale. You got this, keeping those shoulders down. I don't want these shoulders by your ears, all right? Keeping strong, abs in tight, almost there. 6, 5, 4, 3, great. Set these weights down in 2 and 1. Relax. Roll out those shoulders. Let's give them a nice little stretch. Now, one of my favorite stretches for our chest as well, that I want you guys to show you guys, is just making sure you're tapping like a wall or something and opening up your chest right here. It helps with your shoulders as well. Because a lot of these moves, I feel like the next day, like I tend to slouch a little bit because I'm a little bit sore in my upper body. We don't want that. We want to make sure we're still good posture. So make sure to stretch out your chest just a little bit like this if you can. And let's just stretch out a little bit of our shoulders. Take this across. Shake your arms out. Roll them out. Slow down that breath. Again, feel free to repeat this one more time if you guys need, or if you really did not feel this burn, just up your weight just a little bit, because holy moly, you'll really feel it if you just up your weight a little bit. We have 6, 5, 4. Take a nice deep breath in and let it all go. Boom, baby. Power arms, sexy shoulders, quick, efficient. I love you guys, and I will see you at your next daily workout. Mwah. Bye, y'all.